Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to explain about pointer arithmetic, a very important concept. So first of all, what is pointer arithmetic? We can also call it as pointer modify. See, suppose if I'm taking one integer variable, integer a equals to 10, it holds some value. Next, here I am declaring one character variable ch is equal to capital A. Capital A. Consider integer occupies 4 bytes memory. Character occupies 1 byte memory. 1 byte. Now, here whenever we are creating one integer pointer variable P1 that holds address of A. Next one, character pointer P2 that holds address of ch. Some addresses. A value is at 10. At some location address is 2046. ch holds capital A. At address is 4058. Suppose consider. Now P1 holds 2046. It's a pointer variable pointing to this. Next one, P2 holding the address is a 4058 and it is pointing to this one. But sir, what is the concept here? If you are increasing or decreasing the value of integer, suppose printf percentage d, I'm just writing plus a. Increase the a value, or first a we are printing a. So what is the a value? 10. Printf percentage d plus a we are writing, value will be 11. Just increase by 1. But remember, if you are printing percentage d p1 value pointer, P1 value is a 2046, but whenever you are printing percentage d plus P1 we are printing plus P1. What we are thinking? It's an integer, na? 2046 become 2047. No, it will become 2050. Integer occupies how many bytes? 4 bytes. So it will increase by 4 bytes. Sir, suppose if I am printing percentage d, if I am printing P2 value is a 4058, consider. Sir, suppose if I am printing percentage d plus P2 if I am printing, sir, will it increase by 4 bytes? No, it is 4059 only. A very important one. Whenever you are increasing or decreasing normal integer value, either it will increase by 1 or it will decrease by 1. Plus means increase, minus means decrease by 1 only. But if you are increasing pointer variable, okay, what type of pointer you are increasing? Sir, I am increasing integer pointer. So 4 bytes will increase. Sir, I am increasing character pointer. 1 byte will increase. Sir, I am increasing double pointer. Double is 8 bytes. So 8 bytes will increase. By 8 it will increase. This is called pointer arithmetic. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.